your gateway to success is University of North Florida. So in this video, we are going to discuss and illustrate in detail about why to choose the University of North Florida for your further studies. So why to choose UNF? So guys, there are particular reasons why the students choose to study in UNF, and the first point is that they are having the 11 plus Fortune 500 companies which are hiring the grads there. So that is absolutely providing a strong employability to the graduate students, and there are ample job opportunities awaiting you. They are having the student teacher ratio is 19:1. So that means every 19 student will have one teacher applicable. That means there's going to be a personalized learning experience so that you can work on developing your network in a very strong way, and you'll be able to get a hold on your subjects in a better way. Now the third option is the visa success rate. So University of North Florida का अगर आप सर्च करेंगे, you will find that कि इसका जो visa success rate है, that is very higher because this is one of the public university, right? Now North Florida is the university is located in Jacksonville, और ये यूएस का सेकेंड हॉटेस्ट जॉब मार्केट है. सो दैट मीन्स कि जितने ज़्यादा जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ आपको ग्रेड प्रोग्राम कंप्लीट करने के बाद यहाँ मिलेंगी, कंपैरेटिवली बाकी प्रोविंसेस में वो थोड़ी कम होंगी. जैक्सनविले हैज़ ऑलवेज बिन अ प्लेस जहाँ पे आपका लिविंग एक्सपेंसेस भी काफ़ी मॉनिटर्ड हो जाते हैं. नाउ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट दैट कम्स वाई चूजिंग दिस यूनिवर्सिटी इज द ऑप्शन ऑफ पार्ट टाइम वर्किंग. नाउ पार्ट टाइम, अब आप कहेंगे कि पार्ट टाइम तो हर जगह अवेलेबल है, व्हाई टू गो फॉर द यूएनएफ? सो यूएनएफ में एक ऑप्शन है वेर इन यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर द पार्ट टाइम जॉब विद इन द यूनिवर्सिटी कैंपस इटसेल्फ. That provides you an access for spending less on traveling and getting an opportunity to earn well. वहाँ पे जो earnings होती हैं that is around $20 per hour. So जितना maximum number of hours are going to be, yes, 20 per week, right? But 20 per week में आपका कोई travel time नहीं है. Talking about the programs offered, so they are having the range of 500 plus program in all the domains wherein the 300s are going to be somewhere related to the STEM program. So STEM में आप भी जानते हैं that if you are studying in STEM program, so definitely the job opportunities are going to go higher. So if you want to apply for the fall 2025 intake, still the option is available. You can apply to one of the top universities of North Florida, and that is University of North Florida, Jacksonville. If you have any doubt pertaining the same, don't forget to mention your queries in the comment section, and we shall be coming up with the same next.